this program, no child should be left behind. Dapat tanan nga school age nga mga bata nag-eskwela gid sila. Hindi pwede nga hindi.
This is actually very close to my heart, especially DepEd. Not just because I am an advocate for quality and accessible education. I saw how DepEd worked so hard to deliver quality and accessible education, and how open also the leaders of DepEd are, especially here in Himamaylan and in Negros, when it comes to stakeholder engagement, when it comes to listening to student voices, receiving different suggestions, consultations, very participatory. When Ma'am Gladys was explaining earlier, very structured ang approach, no, sa DepEd Himamaylan. There's a situation that are inevitable, no, hindi mapunggan, may mga challenges, but always outcomes based, always may response sa DepEd. And I'm sure that those response, hindi na siya mag-take effect, no? Kung di mo himo lang naka-response or di mo bra lang na para may i-report, no? For sure, it came from the ground up, no? For sure, it came from damo-damong insights and observations and consultations, naging process, and at the end of the day, nag-come up with a solution that is responsive to the realities on the ground.
Unity has come together. This is a celebration of our unity, shared commitment, and the promising future we are building for our young Himamaylanons. I take pride in being one of your education partners, committed to supporting and advocating for quality education. It is truly an honor to join you as we work together to create a city where every child has the opportunity to flourish. With this, I extend my gratitude to everyone in the division office, from the division staff to the teachers and personnel, whose hard work and dedication form the foundation of our city's academic success. Nakasalalay sa ato ang mga kabataan, ang ilang futuro. Sang aton pinalangga nga syudad, kagapatigid ako na under the diligent administration of this office, they are in the best possible hands. On behalf of our Office of the ABC and the SK, ginahatag namo ng amon suporta kag assurance, bukas ang amon portahan sa pagbulig.
Panamion tagid at eskwelahan, no? And we continue to support our communities. May mga groups na that they want to partner with us. We really welcome them because we know that in Himamaylan, we cannot do this alone. And I really thank all of you, no? Tanan-tanan nga stakeholders nga ariti. Ang gamay nga mga contributions naton or dako man will always boil down to the benefit of the school children. We take good care of Mother Earth. We take good care of each other through self-care, whole brain self-mastery, and a lot more. Salamat sa tanan, padayon kita. Mabuhay and happy 7th founding anniversary DepEd Himamaylan City!